Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Healthy with Benna, I'm going to be sharing 3 healthy ways how I pack up lunch for my kids at school. Now guys, I have a 7 and a 10-year-old, and if you have kids, you know exactly how fun that process can be, right? And how some days you have no clue what to pack up for the kids. For me, 2 things matter. I make sure I plan ahead of time, and I also involve the kids in the process of picking what they want to eat, and I guide them towards the direction of eating healthy and balanced and why they have to do that. Also, in their lunch boxes, I always make sure that there's a protein source, there's a carbohydrate, and there's a vegetable source. Of course, I would throw in 1 or 2 treats for the kids once in a while. Guys, if this is something you're interested in, please stick around and I'll share with you in a moment what goes into those lunch boxes. So for our first kids lunch box idea, guys, I'm going to do a chicken wrap. So I have right here some spinach tortilla. So it's green because it's made from spinach added to it. And to that, I'm going to go in with this hummus. This is my homemade hummus. I am going to be sharing the recipe of this hummus with you guys. It is so delicious. It is so yummy. I don't even know. It's made from chickpeas, tahini, some lemon juice, and oh my goodness, guys, this stuff is good. It's so addictive. I'm going to generously spread it over to our tortilla, just like this. Next to that, I'm going to add some lettuce leaves, so we want some crunchy in there. And then I'm going to go in with some chicken slices. So this is my poached chicken breast. I shared the other day how I make this. I just prefer to poach my chicken just because it keeps it moist and very tasty as well. Okay guys, I'm going to just wrap this all over nicely. You want to make sure that you wrap it really tight so that you can wrap it really tightly, and then I'm just going to cut it all up like this. Just like this. Just like so, and you have a healthy wrap. And to go with this, I'm going to go in with some celery sticks right here, so we can add more veggies. And I also have some blueberries, they're headed in here. I have some strawberries headed in here. And finally, I always like to put a sweet treat, so I have some apricot right here. So these are just dry fruit. It's a healthy and sweet treat for the kids. And guys, with this, we have a healthy lunch box for the kids. How cool is that? So guys, our second kids lunch box idea, I call this one a breakfast to go lunch. Just because the main thing here is going to be this protein pancakes. So I'm going to have these protein pancakes headed in here. Now these pancakes, they are very super healthy. I'm also going to be sharing the recipe for how I make them. They are so easy to make. They are so healthy and so delicious, guys, trust me. And to that, I'm going to put some blueberries around them. I'll just throw some blueberries around them. And next, I have some watermelon balls. Now we use this ice cream scoop. My daughter actually used the ice cream scoop to scoop out the watermelon balls. Now, packing up kids' lunch box is also a great time for kids to also participate in their in making their own food. Now I really like it when kids are when they are part of this process, because that way they get to learn why they have to eat certain foods, why they have to be healthy. You know, it's very important because we always have those conversations. I also have some cucumber slices. Now my daughter also used her cookie cutter, this one, to make her cucumber slices into the stars. See guys, it's so cool. So I have some cucumber, and I have some carrots also headed in here. In this is going to be the watermelon. So in here I'm going to be adding some of the hummus, my homemade hummus. I'm adding in here, like I mentioned before, the hummus is a great way for kids to eat their crunchy vegetables. It is so yummy and pairs so well together, guys. Trust me on this. So our second lunch box is ready. As you can see, we have our protein pancakes, we have our cucumbers in stars, watermelon balls, baby carrots, and the hummus. Look at how beautiful and so colorful it is. It looks, guys. So guys, for our third kids lunch idea, you know we cannot have a kids lunch without pasta, right? Kids love pasta. I don't know about your kids, but my kids absolutely, they adore pasta. And so to that I made this pasta salad right here. I added some chicken breast to it so it can be a source of protein, and I also used the bow tie pasta, and it kind of looks like a confetti if you take a look at it, with the green peas, the corn, and the carrots. If I were a kid and had lunch like this, I would absolutely love it. Even an adult would love this one. So let's go ahead and pack it up. So in here I'm headed with my pasta salad right there. It looks so beautiful, guys. Ooh. Okay, I'll set that aside. And for our veggies, I have more veggies here. So I have this sweet peppers. They're sweet. I have the red, get it in there. I have the yellow and the orange. Perfect. And I also have some fruit here. So I have this mandarin, some citrus fruit. Perfect. And I also have more fruit. So I have some what's this called? Oh my goodness. This has to be kidding me. I have some, oh my god. I'm gonna have to ask my daughter. Maddie, yes, mommy? What is this fruit called? The one that you really love? Kiwi, guys. I think my brain is getting really foggy. So we have some kiwi here. And for our sweet treat, I have here some, this is actually some raisins coated in chocolate. So it's always good to reward kids when they be nice. So my daughter, she has a sweet tooth, by the way, so this is going to be great for her, guys. So our lunch is packed up, looking all colorful. And talk about eating the rainbow, guys. This is what I'm talking about, eating the rainbow. So beautiful, so yummy. So guys, I hope that this video inspired you to have more options and healthy options for your kids' lunch boxes. If it did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, please let me know in the comment section what you usually pack up for lunch. What is your favorite go-to lunch options for your kids? And also, if you're going to be trying any of my combinations, let me know, please. Guys, I will share some of those recipe with you. The homemade hummus, that one is a must try. It is so yummy and so delicious. And also the protein pancakes are easy to make and you can make them ahead of time. I'll bring all of that to you. In the meantime, if you haven't checked out my video on my healthy sandwiches, please check that out. My homemade granola bar and also my breakfast muffins from almond flour and oats. Those are all options that you can incorporate, mix and match for your kids to be able to stay healthy. We want to encourage them to eat a balanced and a healthy diet so that they can function properly. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so you can join the Healthy with Bena family. And when you do, please hit that notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated, be well, be safe, and bye.